Today, I tried building a simple API with Laravel, just a quick backend as I have done for the past 8 years. Installed it automatically with a simple command. I go looking for my api.php file in the roots folder. Nothing. Completely gone. I thought maybe I missed a step, but no. Turns out Laravel 12, in its infinite wisdom, decided to remove it. Just gone. And it didn't stop there. I started searching for controllers, middleware, and kernel, and spent 10 minutes digging through folders like I was on a scavenger hunt inside a haunted repo. Found the controllers, found the middleware, but kernel? Nowhere. It was like kernel had been erased from history. Creators of Laravel, you deserve someone switching your gas and brake pedals in the morning. See how far that'll take you. So I gave up on Laravel 12 and downgraded to Laravel 10. Finally, there was the api.php file, right where it should have been in the first place. I set up my migrations, ran them, and then Laravel told me the sessions table didn't exist. Okay, fine, I'll migrate it. But the CLI says it's already migrated. MySQL says it's never even heard of it. So I did what any reasonable person would do. Cleared caches, rolled back migrations, remigrated, fought with configs, and battled what felt like 10 demons and a table in the underworld. When nothing worked, I thought, fine, I'll just disable sessions completely. Laravel really didn't like that. It acted like I'd just ripped out one of its vital organs and expected it to keep running. Errors everywhere. Laravel basically screamed at me in PHP. That was it. I closed Laravel and switched to Node.js, installed Express, connected to MySQL, wrote my roots, ran the server, and it just worked. No missing files, no ghost migrations, no mysterious disappearing kernel, no session table drama. In 20 minutes, I had a working CRUD API. And that's the thing. Laravel is full of magic, but when that magic breaks, it's like fighting a ghost while blindfolded and hopping on one leg. Express gives you nothing, but at least you know exactly what you've got, and if something's broken, it's because you broke it. Not because the framework decided to hide the gas pedal. Building websites or just APIs doesn't have to be this difficult. I bet you could create a MySQL API in native PHP faster than finding the API file in Laravel. But in the long run, with a team, it's better to use something like Laravel. It gives you the possibility to get more developers faster. Just say, I need a strong developer with knowledge of Laravel, and they need to know migrations. Then throw in a stupid list of requirements even the person writing it doesn't fully understand. So when someone shows up with all that knowledge, just a random HR person with no idea about any of this can turn them around. Welcome to the life of stupidity. And about Laravel saying they moved or removed some files for security reasons. Really? So all those apps I built all those times were insecure? Seriously? Should I go back and redo them? Or what do you suggest, mighty Laravel creators? Yeah, as time goes by, I think I'm just done. Hopeless. PHP fanboys, I get you. I've been a PHP developer for over 10 years now, and I loved it. It was my job, my bread and butter. Whenever I heard something bad about PHP, I'd defend it to the end. And I still believe PHP has its place. But sometimes, when you just want a simple API that works without magic tricks or mysterious missing files, maybe it's time to try something else. Sometimes chasing bugs and fixing them feels good, like solving a mystery, piecing together clues, and finally cracking the case. It's a challenge, a puzzle that keeps you sharp. But this wasn't one of those times. This was just a match. A wild goose chase with no payoff. I didn't want a mystery. I wanted something that just works. A tool that lets me focus on building, not digging through endless folders or wrestling with phantom migrations. Because at the end of the day, simplicity and reliability beat magic tricks anytime.